So, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and become a member. The reason is I expect in the next days and weeks a really big pump. Makes sense, yeah, that you get here the TIs and the targets so that you can make money. Yeah, my channel is focusing to make money. So not blah blah and say okay here project presentation and blah blah. No, these are hard facts, hard targets in which you invest and then you make gains. So you can look also in the history, new members or new subscribers. I set the price at 19,000. I said, okay, the price will go to 30,000. Now you can see the Bitcoin price is at 30,000. Now we're looking here to the history first. Uh, I Googled a little bit and I look here to the Bretton Woods agreement. Yeah, I look okay when they signed this agreement, and I saw okay 1944. Yeah. Then I look to the gold chart and recognize 1944. We have here a uptrend in the gold chart. You can see 44. The price is going up at the gold price, but this is so small that you cannot recognize this in the chart. Yeah, for us it's looking at $1.80, but you can see at the RSI the price is going up. You can see 1944. Yeah, the price is going more sideways over 30 years. For over 30 years, nobody recognized something. Yeah, everything is okay. You go to the job, 9 to 5 hours. Yeah, the 88 hours, 9 to 5. Nobody caring about the monitoring systems. You earn money and you're happy. Yeah. And then you look what happens 30 years after this agreement here. You can see that something is happening with the gold price. Yeah? You can see the price is or explode at 30 years later. Yeah? You can see here 30 years. Yeah? The price goes up. Okay. You can see the government's starting printing here money, and your money is shrinking. Yeah, you lose the power of your currency, and you can afford lesser and lesser. Yeah, and you can see the price is going up. Something is happening, and this is extreme. If you look here, $35 per ounce, and you can see what happens here from 1972. Let me look what we have here. Let's check this. After 2 years, the price of gold is doubling. Yeah, 35, $70. Yeah, after 2 years. Now we're looking. It's similar like a hyperinflation. You can see your dollar is shrinking and shrinking. After these 2 years, we're looking here. After 1 year, yeah, the period is getting smaller and smaller. You can see this was 2 years. Now we are at 1 year, and then you can see the price is going from $60 to 120. So you lose money in this time period 2 years, and you lose the same value of your currency in 1 year. Yeah, so your dollar is going down. Okay, what happens then? The price is going again after 1973. We're looking here after 1 year again. Look from $102 to 200. You lose again 3 times. You lose money. So your government, yeah, I would say printing money, yeah, and your money is going down. Yeah, so you can trust your government. So and then price is going down, yeah, 3 times higher, 2 times down. It's okay because you are not stupid. I think if you buy here, then you sell here. Yeah, so not you wait. For long-term holder, it's not so important. You can also hold. What happens then? I think this time period is only blinding people because then they say, okay, we take action and so on. The price is going only the half to the downside, but you lose here 3 times. Yeah. Let's look at 200 to $100 in time period. Let's look 1 year. You lose only in 1 year, or you earn or we earn gains. Yeah, here in 1 year you get the half back. Yeah, you have to think like this: the government steal 3x from you and give 2x back, yeah, so or the half. But then they start to steal all your x, and then, pardon if I'm laughing, but this is too like a circus, yeah, for me. If you look from here, 1976, yeah, the price is going in this time period 3 years. You can see how much gold is going up. Yeah, from $100, $900. Yeah, so government steal here 9x from you. If you have X, yeah, if you have nothing, then you have to give you a close. Okay, 9x. Then the price is going down again. Steal 9, give 3 back. Yeah. Okay, then we are at 9080. Then you can see what happens. Uh, long manipulation area begins. The price is going sideways. That has a reason. We built here our left shoulder. These are the signs that something big is coming. Yeah, that's the reason why we can also predict, because we see here, okay, we have a little uptrend. Yeah, from this position, we know, okay, the price is going up, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Forget this. This is only a small manipulation, but in the end of the day, the price have to go upside. Yeah. Okay. Then you can see the price is flying from 300 to nearly 2000. Yeah. 10 times higher. Yeah. So now we're looking, or we're staying here. Yeah. And now we have the situation that a complete different situation here at the moment, because this was peanuts. That was what is coming is really big. Yeah, you can lose total of your money. Yeah, you lose here. The people here who live here in the 70s, they lost also everything. But if you look to this chart, this is an extreme danger chart. We have here uptrend, and gold will fly. Yeah, I explain you this. This is a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation, and if we can break this, it will happen. Yeah, the governments will not um, end the printing of the money. Yeah, or print money. The price will fly to 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 is only 5,000 is only the next point. Yeah, the if you want here the end target of gold, the end target of gold is 10,000. Yeah, um, you would say, okay, how this is possible? Then I am asking you, how is this possible that the price of gold is going from $35 to 1,000? Yeah, you can see also 10 times higher. So theoretically, we have to look, if we are at 20,000, 10 times higher means 20,000. Yeah, we have also the structure for 20,000, but at the moment we can only see the targets for 5,000 and 10,000. So I think this 20,000 will come a little bit later. If we say, okay, let's look if we can make this a little bit sharp, so that I think could happen 2030, that we come back, yeah, make more sense, and fly more sideways movement like that what we saw here. And then from this sideways movement, I think the price will go to 20,000. Yeah. So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. This is a crypto channel. So that I open your eyes with gold. Yeah, because in the Bitcoin price, we have not so much history. But this is not so interesting because we have the similar structure like gold. That's the reason why I'm showing you gold. So we are here at levels of 30,000. So the prediction what I made is coming true. The only negativity, yeah, what I think what can happen, what I not believe, yeah, if you look to this here, they could manipulate the price like this to the downside, yeah. So really good sell-off. A big event is coming, price is going to levels of 10,000, and then starting here to kill the to kill the longs, yeah, because the focus is that they not want that you make money. That's their focus, yeah. And if you look more inside, yeah, then we can not see this structure to say, okay, the price will go here to 10,000. Yeah, from the technical point of view, it makes sense. Yes, if we say, okay, we have here our downtrend, and we have to come back and say, okay, this is our downtrend. We have to make a retest. Makes sense. 13,000. It would be make sense. Yeah. But if we're looking here more inside, then we have a total different structure here. And if you look, normally this here, this behavior what you see here in this green area, this behavior is normally, now listen exactly, is normally this what I described to you, 13,000. Yeah. Normally this here is ending like, I draw this for you that you understand. Give me a little time. So normally this is ending like this. What they do here is they stretch this point to this point, and they stretch this point to this point. Yeah. So that we have our 0 point, not here, we have our 0 point here. That means, watch exactly what I say to you. That means this is our new 0 point, and if Bitcoin break this level 30,000, the price of Bitcoin will fly. Yeah, yeah, and that is coming true. Will happen because all the signs show us that the Bitcoin price is manipulated to the upside, and you can see this also from the behavior. In our last video analyze, I said, okay, the whales could make a dump to the downside, yeah, like this, 24,000, and we're going here to the upside, yeah. But I said, please look to the last video. I said to you, they can do that, but this is not in my focus. I said we will go directly to the upside. You can see I was 100% correct. Yeah, the prediction what I made was here 100% correct. So if people invest here, they have here $2,000 gains. Now what happens now? You can see we test this. we test this level, and that means the price will fly again. Yeah. So I expect the next, I would say 19th of April is a good time. Yeah. Because 19th of April, 1 year ago or 2 years ago, this was 2021, the price of Bitcoin collapsed to the downside. Yeah. So after 2 year makes sense, 2 year cycle makes sense that we're ending this manipulation, or we can look here live. Let's look. Let me look. Let me look. I mean this here. This was the start of the manipulation here. So that we can say, okay, after 2 years, the price fulfilled his 2 year cycle, and the price can go here to the upside. Yeah, if you want, if you calculate this exactly, then we have to look a little bit earlier. But this is the place in which the manipulation starts. We can take also the March, but let's say the average is April, and I expect here a really good pump. Let me look to the last situation. Yes, we have to look that the Bitcoin price stay here at these levels because we have to form here our left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and we can expect here a really good pump. Let's me look. Yes, we can see this, and we will see more uptrends. That the Bitcoin price will pump more. Because you have to think this is our last retest. If our last retest is happening, then the price will fly. Yeah. So prepare yourself, make your membership. You need this information when the price of Bitcoin will pump and when the altcoins will pump. And at the current situation we have, or the current situation is Bitcoin price is pumping, yeah, here to the upside, and the altcoins staying sideways. Yeah, that has a special reason. The reason is that the elites and the rich, yeah, don't want that you make money. The reason is, I explain you this. You're watching here to the Bitcoin price, and look that the price is going to the upside. You're getting nervous. The altcoins is not going. You sell to change. You change your strategy in the portfolio. Yeah, and at the end of the day, you buy some cryptos. Yeah, and you watch to the Bitcoin price here. But the Bitcoin price will go after the pumping sideways. Yeah, what many people don't know is the price will go sideways. In that area, the altcoins will pump. Yeah, but only a small time frame. Yeah, and in this time frame, you can make gains. I will mention this or make in this time frame um, target videos, yeah, in my membership, Wolf Next Target or Wolf End Price Target, so that you can make here in this time period money. Yeah. So, but this is a very relative small time frame. Yeah. Why small? Because they not want that you make money. Also, you say okay, invest, and say okay, I let it stay 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It's over. Yeah. In 4 weeks, you lost your money. So it is a small time frame. You can get this information in the membership. I will explicit make in this time frame in which the altcoins pump, not Bitcoin. Bitcoin will pump earlier. I will explicit make member videos in this pumping area, um, in the Wolf Next target and Wolf End Price target. Also, the Bitcoin club members will get this information so that you can prepare and sell the coins. Yeah, so that you can make money. Have a nice day.